Wow, and we're still at it. What that? Not at the tree?
No, something lick me in my head hard.
Hey guys, my name is Leon. I'm a photographer and a videographer based in the UK. And today I'll be doing a test on various f-stops to show you guys what effect does Aperture have on photos and videos. I'll be shooting with a Sony 50mm that goes from f1.8 to f22. So you can see the various depth of field in each f-stop. So yeah, let's get into it. This is f-stop 1.8, 4K, shutter speed is 200 because the place is a bit bright. Alright, that's lovely. This is f-stop 2, 1.8 now 2, not even a stop. Alright, so 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is f-stop 2.2. Can you smile? Remember we're reading. I don't know why. F-stop 2.2. Come bring up the head, look at the left side there. Yeah, that's how it looks. And then 2.5. We're going up. 2.5. So it gets a bit darker as you can see. Yeah, it's 2.5. Still at 200 shutter speed, 1/200. Alright, we're going up some more. So f-stop is now 2.8. As you guys can see, she's getting a little darker. So I'm gonna turn down the shutter speed a little to bring back some light into it. So yeah, that's 2.8. I like how 2.8 look. Alright, so going up 3.2. Yeah, isn't she gorgeous? 3.2.
know when my hair pose or what.
Right, true. Just have fun. Just don't move around too much. 3.2. Alright. So 3.5. I was still going up. 3.5. Alright, so it's on auto ISO, so hopefully it compensates for the increase in the f-stop. We're now at 4.0. It's getting dark. I'm gonna go at 1/50 for the shutter speed because I'm shooting 4K. Alright, so smile. Yeah, she's beautiful. Alright, so we're going 4.5 now. 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. How do you like that? Alright, so we're going up one more. So we're at 5.0. I don't know why, but the auto ISO isn't working. I plan for it to work. So basically what I assume is that the auto ISO would have just compensated for light each time I step up with the f-stop, but it's not doing that. I'm not sure why. So I'm gonna do it manually. So yeah, we're at 5.0. Now we're going 5.6. So yeah, that's 5.6 guys. Can you see the leaves are falling? The more depth in the less depth in the shot. Yeah, so 5.6 is actually really nice as well. And now we're going 6.3. So that's 6.3 on it, and I'll just compensate one stop of the ISO just to bring up back some exposure. And yeah, we're at 6.3. We're at 6.3. So we're moving from 6.3 to 7.1. Yep, 7.1. And yeah, wow. Sometimes you don't really need a shallow depth of field because we'll lose a lot of stuff out of the focus whenever we do that. So we're now at 8.0 guys, 8.0, and let me just bring up the ISO to compensate for that. Can you come over back a little to this side? Yeah, there's so much happening in your background right now, but yeah, step over a little tiny tip to this little, yeah, that's it. So yeah, so we're currently at 8.0, and she's distracted by the passers by, but yeah, that's fine. So we're at 8.0 right now, and We're leaving from 8.0 to 9.0. And wow, it's a beautiful shot. I think this is my favorite f-stop right now. Damn, you're fully in focus and it's so sharp and pretty. Alright, so we're moving from 9.0 now and we're going up to 10. Wow, I never use f10 unless the sun is like super hot. But wow, it just lost focus. I got back, it's getting back focus. Let me bring up back some light. So it's now 640 on the ISO. I don't know why it keeps jumping out of focus. Let me change the focus to eye focus. Yeah, and that is the hungry yarn. So yeah, we need to get home to get some cooking done. Alright, so that's 10. Alright, so we're leaving from F10 now and we're going to F11. So yeah, that's F11. You can have fun around there now. And I'm putting some light on, yeah. So give me a nice cute pose now. Just pose, don't do anything too dramatic. Smile. We're at what, F11. Okay. White balance make your teeth look yellow. F11. So we're moving from F11 to F13. Yeah, so it's a jump now. So you soon reach at 22. F13. So I'm now 1250 on the ISO. So yeah, that's 1000. That's 13. F13. So yeah, let's go some more. I'm not gonna cut out those big ugly yarns, so you have to hate me for that. So F14 now, yeah. Wow, and we're still at it.
No, something lick me in my head hard. No, probably I got stick there.
Alright guys, so guys, yeah, the thing literally cut her, something dropped out of the tree and cut her. Alright, so F14. Alright, can't do it, I don't know. And now we're at F16. And I'm compensating with some ISO. So the ISO is now what? 1600. I don't think I want to go over 2400 ISO. So let's see how far this goes. So I am at F16. Babe, look at the camera 1 second. Yeah, and now I'm at F18, so we're almost there, but I need to go up with the ISO, so I'm at 2000 ISO, and that's F18. So I'm gonna go F20 now. F20. See how much things in focus. All the people in there are now in focus right now. There's a lady walking towards you. Alright, so yeah, so that's F18. That's F20. Alright, so focus right here now. This is F22, and I guess my ISO will have to be 2500. So yeah, I think that's all for it. I don't think the focus is sharp right now. Step back a little. Go further. Alright, so this is
Hi guys, I'm a bit hurting right now. As you see, I've suffered trauma on this shoot. I've been having
Thank you guys for watching, and if you feel like I missed anything, feel free to leave a comment below and share your thoughts on this topic. Thank you again for being here. Remember to subscribe. If you like this video, click the thumbs up and feel free to share. Thanks again for making it bust with visuals.